Golf cart owners, this cover is about to change your life. So this is the A2C heavy-duty golf cart cover made with premium 600D Oxford fabric. Translation, super tough, totally waterproof, built to handle anything Mother Nature throws at it, and it's UV resistant, weatherproof, windproof, stays locked in place with these adjustable straps and buckles. Even through those crazy stormy nights, the dual zip doors make it easy to hop in or grab your gear without moving the whole cover. And check this out. Reflective safety strips so your cart's visible at night. It fits most 4-passenger golf carts, Yamaha, club car, EZGO, you name it. If you want your cart looking new season after season, this is the one to get. Seriously, it's built like a tank, but looks sleek doing it. Save your cart, save your money. Grab the A2C golf cart cover before the next storm hits.